Nothing says comfort like a warm, savory, high-protein bowl, especially when it only costs a little over $2 a serving. Since relocating, my budget has been extremely tight, and my eating habits have been all over the place. I was eating whatever was easy, snacking late at night, and just feeling really tired. But today, we're doing a gentle reset. I'm going to show you how to make this inflation-proof bowl that'll make you feel amazing. Everything we're using today is built for a strict budget. We got rice, tofu, chickpeas, and a couple basic veggies and tahini. I'm focused on meals that are filling, packed with protein, and doesn't feel like a restricted diet. Now let's get cooking. We're going to start with our rice. I like to wash my rice first to remove any dirt and excess starch. If you want to add more protein to this meal, you can easily swap out the rice for quinoa. While that simmers, let's chop our veggies. I'm using carrots and broccoli today, but you can use whatever's in the fridge that needs to be eaten up. You might notice that my hands changed a bit on some of these scenes. If you watched the last video, you'll remember I cut my finger. My finger's still in a little bit of pain, so I had Jimmy finish up some of the prep work. Here's a budget hack for the day. To make a can of chickpeas taste meaty and satisfying, you need to season them and roast them. Use any pantry spices you have on hand. I'm just using salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. I'm going to season the veggies the same way. While those are roasting, I want to talk about why I'm starting to cook like this again. Rebuilding my pantry after the fire was one thing, but actually dealing with my stress overeating, now that took some help. I knew I needed some type of guidance. That's why I'm excited to partner with Nourish for this video today. Nourish is an amazing telehealth company that connects you with a registered dietitian over Zoom. And I want to be clear, they are credentialed, registered dietitians, not just nutritionists. You literally can go online and book a session in less than 5 minutes. Now, as your budget big sister, you know I'm not going to recommend anything that's going to break the bank. Nourish accepts major insurance companies. They even guarantee no surprise billing, so your visit will never cost more than the initial estimated cost. In fact, 94% of patients pay zero out of pocket. Working with my dietitian has been an incredible experience. As a chef, obviously I know how to meal plan and put food together on my own. So my sessions were not generic cookie cutter lessons on how to cook. Everything was completely tailored to my level. They can even request labs and blood work to see what's exactly going on inside your body so they can help you. What I really needed from her was to understand why I was overeating and how to fix it. Even from day one, my dietitian felt more like a friend to me. Our sessions were about an hour long and she never even rushed me. She was so kind, so knowledgeable, and she actually remembered our previous conversation without even looking at notes. Plus, using the Nourish app makes the whole process seamless. I can log my meals right in the app and my dietitian can see it and give me real-time recommendations and tips. On my very first day, she gave me an actual solution to my stress snacking. She explained to me that my cravings weren't a lack of willpower. I was simply overeating because I wasn't getting enough fiber and protein to keep me satisfied. She told me that adding more fiber to my diet will reduce the gut bloating that I've been dealing with lately, and how eating this way balances your blood sugar and naturally cuts the cravings. And you guys, it works. Once I started implementing her advice, my bloating went down, my cravings stopped, and as a huge bonus, after a few days of eating like this, I actually lost a few pounds. She helped me build affordable meals that support my whole body's health, and it continues to work. If you're in the US and want to try it out, check out Nourish using my link in the description below and book your first appointment in under 5 minutes. Now let's get back to cooking. All right, our veggies are out of the oven and looking beautiful. Let's make a quick dressing. Just mix some tahini, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a little water until it's nice and creamy. It wouldn't be a wellness bowl without some tofu. I'm adding in some kale for a little vitamin C boost. And I like to massage it first. It softens it up and makes it so much easier on your digestion. Now here's to getting back on track. This tahini dressing pairs beautifully with this bowl. This is so good. It's warm, it's comforting, and it's super satisfying without feeling real heavy. And the best part, if you look at the receipt, the entire recipe costs $9.10 for 4 servings. That's $2.28 per bowl. If you want more bowls like this, check out my Buddha Bowl cookbook with 29 recipes plus dressings. The link is in the description. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.